Hi, I'm Marta.
And I'm Abby. We're farmers at PHS.
And we're here at Meadowbrook Farm in Jenkintown, Pennsylvania, a beautiful space owned and operated by PHS and open to the public.
At PHS, we're on a mission to garden for the greater good. As part of our PHS Harvest program, we are committed to fighting food insecurity by helping our neighbors learn how to grow and share their harvests. Today, we're talking about carrots.
Carrots are best seeded in March or April for a summer harvest, and then again in July or August for a fall harvest. If you select the right variety and plant in September, you'll be ready for a winter harvest. And each frost makes the carrots sweeter. Carrots are best direct seeded rather than transplanted. They take a while to germinate, usually 1 to 3 weeks, so it's important that you keep the soil moist until the seedlings emerge. While carrots are young, make sure to keep them weeded.
Our friends at Whole Foods Market have tips to make the most of your harvest.
Hi, I'm Kathleen, forager for Whole Foods Market. So for carrot selection, you're going to want to choose carrots that are larger in size and have a nice vibrant color. The large size means that they've had a little bit more time to grow, which will allow the sugars to develop and they'll be a little bit more sweet. The bright color means that they're nice and fresh. As carrots age, they tend to get a little bit more dull and they lose their color and flavor. In terms of storage, if the carrot tops are attached like this, you're going to want to remove those first. When you're ready to put them in the fridge, put them in a sealed plastic bag, but make sure that you keep them away from apples and pears because those will speed the spoilage process.
Thanks for joining us. There are lots of ways to get involved in the PHS Harvest program. Join our community by signing up for PHS Harvest as an individual or group. Start your food garden by finding local supplies and learning to grow with PHS videos and educational resources. And finally, share what you've grown with your community. PHS will help you find out where and how to donate. Together, we can make an impact in the fight against food insecurity.
Happy harvesting!